Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear. Make sure your AirPods Pro have the latest firmware and are charged so pairing is stable. Next, plug in a compatible Bluetooth transmitter into the Ps5 USB port or controller 3. 5mm jack. This bypasses Ps5 restrictions. Once done, set the transmitter into pairing mode and put your AirPods into their case. Then press and hold the case button to enter pairing. This sequence ensures the console talks to the transmitter, not directly to the earbuds. Once the transmitter and AirPods pair, confirm by watching the LED and listening for connected tones. You want a clean link to avoid dropouts. Then go to Ps5 settings, sound, and choose the correct output device, USB audio device or controller headset, so game audio routes to your AirPods. Make sure to set output to headphones to all audio if you want both chat and game sound. Finally, tweak volume and microphone level so game sound is balanced and chat is audible without distortion. To finish, test gameplay and a party chat to confirm voice and game audio are working together. This verifies your settings and microphone routing. If you experience latency or stuttering, switch to a low-latency aptX/La transmitter or use a wired headset as a fallback, because Bluetooth can introduce delay. If audio drops or pairing fails, reset the AirPods and transmitter, then repeat pairing. This often clears conflicts. Make sure to keep firmware updated so compatibility problems are minimized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.